Hi everyone, Anushri here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning to make insert cards and cutaway cards using Cricut Joy. They both look a bit similar but have a good difference when made on Cricut Joy. Watch full video to understand the difference between both these type of cards and learn to make them easily. Let's start making them together here. My table is ready with all the materials required today. I'll explain everything one by one. First, I pick up this cutaway card pack. Now another one also says cutaway cards only. The third one says insert card. The pack looks very same. The contents I'm going to show you how they look inside. This one is a cutaway card pack. It has got these white ones are the envelopes. These colorful ones, they have something inside which I'll talk later. These are the cards. These are the card blanks, I would say. Now these ones, the holographic ones, are the backers. So there are three contents: the envelope, backers and the cards. Let's open the insert card pack now. They also have got three things. One is the envelopes. These ones are again white. Then there are these colorful cards. You can see there's nothing inside right now. So all these look same. These are the backers. So three contents for both the packs now. Now let's open this cutaway card from inside the card pack. You can see there's a sticky peel kind of thing on the card, and in the insert card pack there is nothing like that. This card I made using the insert card one. These are the tools which we'll be using today, the spatula one and the weeder. This is the Joy mat, the card mat. It has this sticky thing and there's a small space which I'll teach you how to use that. Let's go on to our design space and type cutaway cards. First, let's make the cutaway cards today. There are multiple designs on design space. You can choose whatever you want. I like birthday cards. As I always say, there are not enough birthday cards ever. Let's start with this cutaway card. You have to first remove that peel and then put this backer part from upside down. The holographic part should face the card. Now put this inside this slit and then just stick it properly on the card mat. Place the card mat on your Joy, and you can see as on my iPad I'm putting things together. So my mat size, it shows 4.5 into 6.5. It is put properly. It is selecting the accessory, which is the Joy machine. Now it will ask you the materials. There are multiple materials. If you don't see them there, go to all materials and you'll see cutaway card, backer and cards. Start, just press go and the machine will start cutting the design. You don't have to do anything extra after this. The machine will cut the design itself without asking you to change anything or to add anything to it. You can see my design is cut. Let's unload it. Oh, it has cut out beautifully. Slowly take it out. And now you can see that backer part is still there. I need to weed the cut part now. Oh wow, it's looking beautiful. Once I'm removing the cut part, you can see how nicely the backer part is coming out now. You can see it so nicely. So this the part I'm weeding from the card has got that sticky part, and that is how you will remove it. Removing is not tough. A little bit you have to just use the weeder tool properly and make sure you don't touch the backer part. The card has come out beautifully. Let's start making the insert card now. Choose the insert card design and then go on the same steps you have to follow. Add the design to the canvas. If any resizing needs to be done, you do that. Make sure the design you have chosen is for insert card. Now here in the material you can see it's already given to me the insert card stock. So I just chose that. The insert cards do not have anything sticky part or anything. They are plain from inside. So you don't have to stick anything. Just put it inside the slit of the card mat and you're good to go. attach it a little properly on the sticky backing of the card mat. Now once you press go, the machine will start cutting your design. I love the part when the machine cuts. It cuts out so beautifully, each intricate thing. Everything cut out neatly and nicely. My design is cut and you can see how it is looking now. Let's keep the machine back. Use the spatula tool to remove the card from the card mat. So you can see how everything is sticking there, and there are some portions which are still attached to the card. You can use the weeder tool to remove those. The small bits only will be sticking, the bigger ones will definitely stick to the card mat, and you can remove with the spatula later. Okay, now you will have to just insert your backer in the spaces made. The spaces are cut through it and you can simply put it very easily. So this is done and my card looks so nice now. It's ready. Both cards are ready. I'm really liking how they have come out. Hope you have also enjoyed the video and understood the difference between them properly. Thanks for watching it. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you soon for more such exciting videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.